Hey guys, what's up? It's March 2022, and here's your Masternodes project update. Really excited about the Masternodes project and how everything is coming together. Proud to say that everything is on course. Everything is working perfectly as we had planned out from the beginning of the solution. Really excited about it. Speak a little bit more about it, why we have this Masternode solution in the first place. It's all about trusted data in supply chain. Super essential, obviously. There's lots of critical data in supply chain which has to be trusted, and the way our platform is set up, it's a middleware solution. We have all these different amazing integrations, over 200 different integrations to the platform right now, tracking information on shipping lines from FedEx, from UPS, IoT providers, pulling data from ERP systems, and all this data is brought in through our middleware. And you can imagine, the structure itself is integrations around our platform, and really, in a case that, obviously we have very high, security for our platform. But if, let's say, there was a bug, or if, let's say, there was a hack into our platform itself, with the current structure of middleware, it is somewhat centralized. And then that data technically could be manipulated in our platform, and then it sort of removes the trust factor of blockchain, the reason we have built this on blockchain in the first place, right? So that's why we have this Masternode solution. We're very excited about it. Reason being is that it allows us to have this trust layer, something running in parallel to our platform, pulling in the data from these third-party integrations, using zero-knowledge proofs to notarize that data on the blockchain as well. Once that data is going through this independent, zero-knowledge proof system, you can trust that data. It can't be manipulated once it's written to the blockchain. Then we can validate and verify that data has remained the same in our platform as it is through that decentralized zero-knowledge proof solution allowed by those Masternode token holders as well. What's exciting about it as well is that we're putting in so many new integrations. We brought in actually 2 new teams to help us with the implementation of their Masternode system. Reason being is that our core team is just inundated with tasks right now. Some unbelievable projects, more integrations, obviously, with other, third-party companies as well, which has to happen for our clients. What's exciting, what I want to speak about those third-party integrations is that our software development kit, our SDK, is just getting more and more robust. It allows third-party developers not related to the Morpheus team to develop on our platform as well, creating these great module integrations, and then leveraging that zero-knowledge proof solution as well. It's completely decentralized, a decentralized way to validate all the data, and it runs in parallel to our system. And these third-party developers for these companies can develop applications to run on our platform, pull the data, push the data as necessary, and take advantage of that node system completely independent of Morpheus itself. So real exciting about that, how decentralized that is, allowing companies to sort of build out their integrations as well and take advantage of that trust layer that we're creating. So real excited about that. Now onto the nodes itself. We've started the onboarding process. The recruitment for the Alpha node holder started in January. We're happy to say that we have our first token holder tester for the Alpha program. We're proud to say that the first Alpha tester has become the former CEO of DHL Global, Roger Crook. He's been with the team since 2018. He's very excited to help us out with this testing process as well. So Roger, congratulations on that. That is a milestone for yourself and for ourselves as well, of course. And we also, very proud to say that we have some great interest from a Fortune 100 company looking to hold a node as well. Very exciting, all contributing to that zero-knowledge proof system, of course. So, and everything's still, on track, on schedule for the beta node program, that wider beta, testing program as well for 2022. For that beta program, there will be a dashboard, obviously, to view what you're doing as well. One thing I'll say that, we'll try to make it as easy as possible. We always strive for our clients to make the platform extremely usable. We'll do the same for our node holders as well, making it extremely easy to set up your node and so on and so forth. We've had some people reach out to us, some very trusted, amazing community members asking about those requirements, asking about, the progress with the node program as well, being that it is, still first quarter 2022. They want to hear some updates as well, which is completely understandable. Proud to say that it is on schedule. So, ease your mind on that. And, what's very exciting about what we're doing, the reason we have that, node system is to validate the data that comes in through the platform. And the way the compensation for the nodes will work is, after the alpha and beta testing program, which is a flat rate fee. But after that program, it's actually based on volume through the platform, volume of the transactions of the platform, volume of the zero knowledge proofs handled by those master nodes themselves. So that's what we're concentrating on with the core team, as I mentioned, inundated with implementations. Proud to say that we have this amazing solution that's, right on the verge of being released with Marsh & McClelland. It's the world's largest insurance broker in the world. It's a one-click solution to generate an insurance certificate for a transport truckload. Something that people don't know, it's actually quite difficult in order to process insurance. If you ship something by a transport truck and it does sustain damage via transit, in order to process insurance, it takes multiple months. This new solution with Marsh will expedite that entire process, have that trusted data layer on the back end of the entire system, so that the handling points, the documentation involved, the signed off BOL, so on and so forth, everything is attached to that entire shipment itself. And that insurance certificate is not only generated in an automated fashion, but processing the insurance happens a lot faster as well. So we're super excited about that. And being the largest insurance broker in the world and having this specific solution with Morpheus, extremely exciting, should push thousands and thousands of transactions to the platform, if not millions of transactions as time goes on, as we implement further. We have some new implementations with FCL going on right now as well, a full track and trace program, implementations with Gulf-Tainer. That's exciting to be, having the largest privately owned port operator in the world using the platform on a daily basis. This is, on the verge of being released as well with Gulf-Tainer. One other very exciting announcement, which we'll give you a lot of details about, is a brand new project. I say brand new project because the project just finished up that we're actually implementing. But this is 2 years in the making, working on it for 2 years. That's how long it sometimes takes for these government projects. But working with a brand new government in a new continent. This is a 7-figure contract that we're extremely excited about. We'll have a ton of information on that. It's an agriculture traceability solution. We've released a little of information about it in the past, but we'll have a ton of information about it as well. So very excited about that, obviously. We've started actually a pilot with one of the top 10 global shipping companies of the world as well. Extremely exciting. And all these different projects, all these implementations, the enterprises that we're implementing with, these integrations that we're creating in order to push ahead more transactions to the platform, that is the reason that we have these zero knowledge proof master nodes in the first place. We're looking to increase the transactional volume, and that's sort of our number one goal. And we've had the same sort of trajectory from the beginning of the business in order to have sustainable revenue, recurring transactions to the platform happening on a daily, monthly, yearly basis for all these different enterprises, being an integral part of their business itself, so that we have these recurring transactions daily, monthly, yearly, over and over and over again through the platform and through those zero knowledge proof master nodes as well. Notarizing transactions, validating data for supply chains, really changing how the world is handling global trade. So extremely excited about that. Everything's on course.
Thank you, Dan. Fantastic update as always. It's great to see Morpheus Network scaling up with new clients and partners. One of the things I'm most excited about is that we're expanding our team. We have new salespeople. We're onboarding a new marketing person next week, and that's really exciting as well. Nodes are looking great. Dan mentioned a key phrase here: trusted data. Data is what drives our platform. It's what drives the entire supply chain industry, whether we're talking about documents or geolocation data or cold chain temperature or pricing. It's all data. And this is why we're calling the new node system the Morpheus Network Trusted Data Layer. We are not the first person or first company to release nodes. We are not the fastest company to release nodes. But however, I really believe we're building something that provides exceptional benefits to not just our corporate and government clients, but also to the community as well, by enhancing the data and the trust in that data that our platform and industry relies on. We've done a lot of research, deep dive research into many other blockchain projects to learn what they do well and what we can learn from them when architecting our node system. Myself, I'm a professor at a college teaching various blockchain projects. So it's given me a great opportunity and time to do that research. As Dan mentioned, we have multiple development teams working on our nodes, top blockchain development agencies, top talent, and we're really honored to be working with them on our node system. As a company, I'm so proud where we are at the moment. And I say this often, but it's always worth repeating. We have the best community in crypto. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your questions and your involvement. We really do love you guys. Recently, Dan and I did a Founders Friday. A Founders Friday is an open Zoom room, open to anyone and everyone to pop in, say hi to Dan and myself. And it was a great opportunity for us to learn more about you guys and connect with you guys. So we will definitely be doing some more Founder Fridays. Thank you guys as always.